In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count the total number of selected emails in Outlook. Whether you're juggling numerous emails or just need a quick tally for organization, this simple guide will show you exactly how to keep track of your selected messages within minutes. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't opened it yet, make sure you have it set up on your computer or device, as we'll be diving right in. Once you're in Outlook, take a moment to look up at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a sign in option there. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox where all your emails are neatly lined up. Now direct your attention to any email list you have open. You'll notice a small checkbox situated right next to each email. This is your friend for today's tutorial. Clicking these checkboxes will allow you to select multiple emails simultaneously. For demonstration purposes, let's select a modest number, say about 3 emails. After you've clicked on these checkboxes and made your email selections, Outlook will conveniently display the total number of conversations you've selected. You'll find this information usually showing up near the top of your selection list or within the application window. It's a nifty feature that enhances how you manage and comprehend your inbox, saving you the time of manually counting each email. And just like that, you've managed to count the number of emails you've selected quickly and efficiently. This skill can be especially useful for tasks like email cleanup, sorting important messages, or simply keeping track of specific conversations. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in navigating through heaps of correspondence efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear. By understanding and utilizing these simple steps, managing your email flow can become a whole lot easier. If you find yourself needing further guidance with Outlook's features, or if you encounter any issues, remember that getting comfortable with all these tools takes time. Feel free to re-watch this video or explore additional resources online. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you again with more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy emailing.